7 open. Oh, okay, 8 open. Sorry. I apologize for that. How many of you here have seen the movie Bucket List? Oh, just one of you. Okay, but the rest of you who haven't seen the movie, the story goes something like this. There is a mechanic named Carter Chambers and a billionaire named Edward Cole who meet in the hospital ward for the first time after being diagnosed with lung cancer. When Carter gets to know that he's going to live only for 1 year, he writes a big list of the things he wants to do before he dies, or that is before he kicks the bucket. So he writes a huge list, where all he wants to go, what all he wants to eat, writes everything. But when he thinks of his poverty, he throws away the list. The next morning, when Edward sees the list, he feels that, oh, I'm a rich man, I can help Carter to fulfill all these things. That's when he offers Carter that let's do this together. That's when they go on a world tour, have great fun, do all the things, best things in life. But before completing the list, Carter dies. And his death wish is that before he dies, he tells Edward that I want you to complete the list. There are two things in the list that remain unfulfilled. One is to kiss the most beautiful girl in the world. And the second, to see something magnificent, majestic. The first wish, to kiss the most beautiful girl, gets fulfilled when Edward kisses his little granddaughter on her cheek. And the second wish, to see something magnificent, gets fulfilled when Edward dies and his ashes are taken to Himalayas. And finally, there's a tick on all the things in the bucket list. Toastmasters, I call all of you to start dreaming. Martin Luther King had a dream. In his I Had a Dream speech, he dreamt of a black American to be a president. His dream came true when Barack Obama became the president of the United States. We have Mahatma Gandhi who dreamt of independence. We got it. We have Narayan Murthy of Infosys. We have so many people who have dreamed and made it big. There's a book called Secret. According to this book, there are 3 things that you need to follow in order to fulfill all your dreams. First is to ask. Second is to believe. Third is to receive. Ask yourself, what is that you truly want? And ask the universe around you for it. Visualize your dream. See it happening. That is your second step. Believe it happening. You need to believe that what you're desiring for is coming true. You need to trick yourself that the thing is coming true. The third is to receive it. Be open to receive it. Align your thoughts with that of the universe. And then you will see that whatever you're desiring is coming true. Toastmasters, after this meeting, go back home, take a sheet of paper, keep these 3 things in mind. Ask, believe, and receive. And write down a dream list. Things that you want to see happening. It might be something as little as, having an ice cream in the rain. It's your dream. Write it. We, as Toastmasters, need to write dreams regarding our goals here as well. Something like completing CCs, CLs, ACs. As a club, we dream, the committee members dream of getting the distinguished president status to the club every year. We've been getting this status for the past 2 years. And in order to get it this year, we have completed 7 out of 10 goals. Please put your hands together for the people I'm calling out. First of all, we have 2 CCs, which goes to Bhaskar sir and Preetam sir. Please put your hands together. Thank you, sir. We have 2 more points, which goes to Kumaran sir and Dr. Chaya. Put your hands together for that. This says that we need 8 new members, which gives us 2 points. And here we have more than 10 members, We need to put our hands together for our VP, for our VP membership, and everybody who's responsible. There are 2 points which are left out. One is to achieve the CL and the CC. Ma'am, I request you to complete your CL by the end of the term. And the second thing is completing CC. Toastmasters, I promise to complete my CC by the end of this term and give a point to the club. To carry on this meeting, we have a Master of Ceremony who serves as a catalyst for the entire meeting. She is a lady filled with charm, enthusiasm, and dedication. She has done so much for Sunshine that it's more like her second home now. I truly admire this lady. Please put your hands together for this ever smiling Toastmaster Lakshmi.